Sticky Stories. One sunny morning, a little yak named Yara trotted through the meadow. She was looking for her favorite snack, yogurt. But when she opened her picnic basket, oh no, the yogurt cup was gone. I must find it, said Yara. She trotted past a yellow flower patch where a yo-yo was dangling from a tree branch. Have you seen my yogurt? She asked the yo-yo. The yo-yo bounced once and said, "No, but follow the yarn trail." So Yara followed the wiggly jiggly yarn all through the meadow. It wrapped around bushes, looped over rocks, and even tied itself into funny shapes. At the end of the trail, Yara found a wise old turtle doing yoga. On his shelf sat her missing yogurt. "Oh, thank you," giggled Yara. "But who made this yarn trail?" The turtle smiled and pointed to a shiny stone nearby. When Yara looked closer, she gasped. It wasn't a stone at all. It was a big, bright Y. Y for yak, Y for yogurt, Y for yellow, Y for yo-yo, Y for yarn, and Y for yoga, she cheered. From that day on, Yara never forgot her favorite letter, the letter Y, that led her on a yummy yellow yoga-filled adventure. This is the uppercase Y and this is the lowercase y. Y says y, yak, yogurt, yellow, yo-yo, yarn. So today we learned about the letter Y, its sound, and a few words beginning with the letter Y. Bye bye.